Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can edit videos on Instagram, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm on the main page, logged into my account, and I already have a video ready in my gallery. Now, what you want to do is when you're on the main page, on the home page, call it whatever you want, swipe to the right and then select either story or reel. I'll select reel, and then you can select whichever video you want from your gallery. I'll select this one. Now here you can add music, you can add text, stickers, do a couple of different things. You can also add these sort of aesthetics or special effects. It really depends on you, but once you click next, you can then finalize your video. But before we do that, you have the edit video in the bottom left. As you can see, I can mute the video here. I can add audio, I can add text, I can clip some GIFs or add some GIFs as clips. I could add stickers, a voiceover, volume, filters, etc., etc. Now, the only option that I find missing here is the actual write on it option, which I can find a draw option. You can also crop, replace, split, do whatever you want. But if you want to draw over the video, then you're gonna have to go and select a story, then select that same video, and then go to the three dots in the top right and click draw, and then edit your video however you want. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.